Have you ever watched a lecture on YouTube and wished you could instantly convert it into a professional assignment, presentation, or study notes? Many students, researchers, teachers, and professionals spend hours taking notes from educational videos and then manually preparing documents. But what if AI could do most of that work for you in just a few minutes? In today's tutorial, I'll show you an incredibly simple method to transform any YouTube lecture into a well-structured assignment and a professional PowerPoint presentation using free AI tools. Let's get started. First, open YouTube and choose the lecture video you want to use. It can be a university lecture, an educational seminar, a research methodology class, a business lesson, or any informative video. Once you've selected the video, click the Share button and copy its link. Now open NotebookLM. In the source window, you'll find an option to add a YouTube video as a source. Paste the copied link and click Next. NotebookLM will process the video, understand its content, and automatically generate a comprehensive summary based on the lecture. The best part is that you don't need to watch the entire video again or spend time writing notes manually. Now let's create a presentation. Simply click on the Slides option, and NotebookLM will automatically generate a complete presentation based on the lecture. The slides are logically organized with titles, key points, and a structured flow, giving you an excellent starting point for academic or professional use. While NotebookLM is preparing the presentation, let's use the generated summary to create an assignment. Copy the summary and open any AI chatbot, such as ChatGPT or Gemini. Type a simple prompt like, "Using the given information, prepare a well-structured assignment that I can directly copy into an MS Word document." Now paste the summary and press Enter. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate a professionally written assignment with clear headings, well-organized paragraphs, and relevant explanations. This saves a significant amount of time compared to writing everything from scratch. Now I will ask Chat to make it MCQ's assignment. In this way, you get MCQs. Now, if you want to hide answer, then you can say Chat, don't show answers. Select the response you like. Now let's convert the assignment into a Microsoft Word document. Simply type another prompt. Provide MS Word file. After pressing Enter, the AI will generate a fully editable Microsoft Word file. Open the document, and you'll see a professionally formatted assignment that you can easily edit, customize, or submit. You can add your name, course details, university information, images, tables, or any additional content before saving the final version. Let's return to NotebookLM and check the presentation. As you can see, it has already finished generating the slides. To download the presentation, simply click on the three-dot menu, and you'll find options to download the presentation as either a PDF or a PowerPoint (PPTX) file. After downloading the PowerPoint file, open it in slideshow mode. You'll notice that the presentation is neatly organized with professional formatting and covers the important concepts discussed in the original lecture. Instead of spending hours creating slides manually, you now have a polished presentation ready to use, which you can further customize by adding images, animations, icons, charts, or your own branding. This entire workflow takes only a few minutes and can save students, researchers, teachers, and professionals a tremendous amount of time. Whether you're preparing assignments, classroom presentations, research reports, seminar slides, or study notes, this AI-powered method can significantly improve your productivity and help you focus more on learning than on repetitive formatting tasks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial with another exciting AI tool that can make your work easier and faster.